नाज़रीन आपको बताएं, पाक चाइना बिजनेस फोरम वज़ीर ख़जाना मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब का तकरीब से खिताब, आइए आपको बराह रास्त ले चलते हैं।
Very clear. Under Prime Minister's leadership, the homegrown agenda, because that's what we are talking about. Everything that I've referred to, tax to GDP, energy equation, SOE reforms, is in the interest of the country that we move in the right direction. Now, as part of this homegrown agenda, markets, not the government, are going to anchor our economy as we go forward. The private sector is going to lead our country. As far as the government is concerned, we are there to provide policy framework and, even more importantly, policy continuity, because that has been an issue in Pakistan through the administrations. Now, we want to anchor this homegrown agenda around three key aspects, which are what I would call road to market. Because the question that is always asked, we are going into the 24th IMF program. Why do you think this is going to be the last program? And I think it's a fair question. And therefore, the healthy dosage of skepticism that this question comes through. Now, this road to market is going to be again anchored in three areas. The first one is going to be export-led growth. That's why we are here. I'm sure Prime Minister is going to not only touch upon that, but mention that in a very big way, because the special economic zones are going to be a very important ingredient, a very important pillar, a very important enabler in terms of export-led growth. And what better place to learn from the successful experiences than Shenzhen. The second one is foreign direct investment. It's going to be both in terms of G to G, and even more importantly, as we go forward, business to business. And that's why we are all here together. That's why we have requested all of you to be here today, so that you can actually have those interactions, to have those tangible discussions which can lead to joint ventures, which can lead to real-time discussions around how we success transfer the technology, how we success transfer the successful experiences here into Pakistan and get some of the industries moving and relocating into Pakistan as we go forward. And the last point that I want to mention in terms of the road to market is our access to international capital markets. Now, from my perspective, from our government's perspective, while we will go back to the US market, we will go back to the Euro market as our ratings improve, but we are very keen that we access the Chinese capital markets, because that's what we have not done previously. So we have a number of things that we are doing differently under Prime Minister's leadership. And during next fiscal year, we want to go in with Pakistan's inaugural Panda bond issue to access the Chinese capital markets, which is the second and the largest and deepest market in the world. There's no reason why we shouldn't have done that previously, but it's never too late. So we are very keen that we do that during the next fiscal year. We are in preparatory stages at our end. We are going to be in touch with the regulatory authorities here in China, because this is going to follow a structure which the government of Egypt followed last year, which is going
वज़ीर मोहम्मद औरंगज़ेब तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।